In this video, I'll be explaining how SheerID verifies students. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. SheerID is widely used by companies and organizations to confirm student status for discounts, special offers, and membership eligibility. But many people are still unsure how the verification process actually works. Today, I'll break it down in a simple and easy-to-understand way. SheerID works as an online verification platform that confirms a person's eligibility for exclusive offers based on their status. In this case, as a student. Instead of requiring businesses to manually check student IDs or enrollments, SheerID automates the process, saving time and reducing errors. It's trusted by universities, retailers, software companies, and subscription services. The process starts when a student signs up for a discount or offer through a website that uses SheerID. You typically need to provide basic information such as your name, school, email address, and enrollment status. In some cases, you may also need to submit additional documents, like a student ID or class schedule, to prove your current enrollment. SheerID then uses a secure verification system to check the information against multiple trusted data sources. This includes university records, enrollment databases, and sometimes third-party verification services. The system cross-references your details in real time to confirm your student status without storing unnecessary personal data, ensuring privacy and security throughout the process. Once the verification is complete, the student receives confirmation immediately in most cases. If everything checks out, the discount or offer becomes active on the user's account. If there's a problem, SheerID provides instructions to resolve it, which may involve submitting additional documentation or contacting their support team. For businesses, SheerID offers integration tools that make the verification process seamless. Retailers, software companies, and service providers can embed SheerID directly into their sign-up pages, checkout processes, or app registration flows. This means students get instant verification without delays, while companies can confidently offer exclusive benefits only to eligible users. Overall, SheerID verifies students by combining secure data checks, real-time validation, and privacy-focused processing. The platform is designed to make the verification process fast, accurate, and easy for both students and companies, eliminating the need for manual checks while maintaining a high level of trust.